Today's focus is on the best favepay beauty service deals available right now and why they matter for anyone serious about saving money on self-care. favepay has positioned itself as a smart payment and rewards platform that connects users directly to premium beauty services at reduced prices. These deals are not random discounts. They are structured offers designed to lower the cost of high-quality treatments while maintaining professional standards. Popular beauty services on favepay include hairstyling, braiding, wig installation, skincare treatments, facials, makeup sessions, nail care, and spa services. Many salons offer instant discounts when payments are made through favepay. A hairstyling service normally priced at $80 can drop to $60. Professional makeup sessions often reduced from $120 to $90. Full facial treatments that usually cost $70 are frequently available for $50 or less. These price cuts are applied automatically at checkout, eliminating negotiation or hidden charges. favepay also offers bundled beauty deals that increase overall value. Combo packages such as hair and makeup services priced at $200 are commonly available for around $150. Monthly beauty plans allow repeat clients to save even more, with consistent discounts applied across multiple visits. Cashback rewards are another advantage, returning a percentage of each transaction as usable credit for future services. What sets favepay apart is reliability. Payments are secure, pricing is transparent, and partner salons are vetted for quality. Users are not sacrificing service standards to save money. Instead, they are accessing premium beauty care at reduced costs through strategic payment incentives. For beauty professionals, favepay increases customer traffic and guarantees faster payments. For customers, it delivers convenience, affordability, and consistency. These deals make professional beauty services more accessible without lowering expectations. favepay beauty service deals are built for people who want quality results while spending smarter.